We all remember the Ditto sewing pattern projector. It started off with a price of $799. Clearly, it doesn't seem like a lot of them have sold. And someone pointed this out to me this week, that the price went from like $799 to $399. I purchased mine for about $330 or something like that. Well, Joann's has actually dropped the price even further, and I am like lowling at this. And there is a link in the description. It is affiliate. If you'd like to try out the Ditto pattern projector, now you can try it out for $299. It is now about $300. It is 63% off from the original price of $799. I'm just like, I cannot believe this. I feel awful for anyone who bought this at $799. I think you should get a refund of the $500. This is crazy. So it is now $299 at Joann. So if you were thinking about trying it and you want to try it out pretty cheap, now it's very, very, I was not expecting the price to go this low. And I bought it. I'm not mad about the price I paid, because I paid about I think it was like $336 plus tax. $299 is crazy cheap. You kind of have to have like a subscription in order to use it, and the subscription is like, I think it was like $99 a year. Let me look that up real quick. But can you believe that it's now the price it is? I am just laughing at that because it's kind of hilarious. That's hilarious. That's honestly hilarious. $299. All right, let's go back here. So who's going to support the product if Joann goes under? So it's actually the company that owns Ditto is Ditto/Singer, and I actually bought mine on the Singer website. So if Joann's goes under, you still should be okay as long as Ditto/Singer don't go under. All right, Nancy says, I wouldn't even consider buying the Ditto unless it came down to $199. Nancy, that might actually happen. If it's going to $299, there's no reason it couldn't go to $199. You might also be able to buy it from somebody, like maybe someone selling it. So maybe you could do something like that. So you should be okay if, again, something happens to Joann's. Joann's is just one of the distributors for the product, but they don't have a stake in Ditto. But yeah, if Ditto goes under or if they stop supporting the app, you actually will have a bricked product and you won't be able to use it. So that is something to keep in mind, that if Ditto either ceases to exist or decides just to stop updating the app or stop running the app, then you have a useless product. And that's why I didn't want to pay $799 for it. But again, I was okay, like at the price I paid, and because I have a YouTube channel, I was like, okay, I'll do like $330 something. But there was no way I was going to pay $799 for that thing. And I'm really glad I did not, because I thought about it and I was like, I don't think so.